fans, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Welcome once again to my kitchen. Today I go to prepare pepper soup. I go to prepare tomatoes pepper soup with catfish. Yeah, now the ingredients when I go to use be this one. Yeah, I get my tomatoes. Yeah, now the salt, the grounded pepper. Yeah, the pepper soup spices, the maggi cube. Yeah, there's the big crayfish and another black fish I will be adding to the catfish inside this water. Now this water we will use to prepare our pepper soup. Just maybe I will add another little water to it, maybe I not go stay hard inside. Why the water be like this? Now the fresh one of this, yeah, the fresh one of this baby crayfish, 9 grand. They like the aroma for my pepper soup. Yeah, guys, you need to try it if you have not tried it before. Just grind the fresh one. Yeah, you know the fresh one. I use it in my last video when I cook. When I cook my banga, that my coconut rice with pepper sauce. You can go and look the video. The fresh one of it, I grind it. And I use my filter to save it. That's the water we'll be using for the pepper soup, guys. Please stay tuned and watch till the end, okay? Thank you. Love you, guys. Firstly, we need to wash the fish very well. Yeah, if I want to wash my fish, I normally use hot water. If you use hot water to wash your catfish, the dryness, everything will come out. Just pour hot water on the fish and add a little salt to it. Also, I will be adding little vinegar to it. Just little, not too much, so that the fish go wash well. All those things when it be like say they draw like a bolo will come out for the fish. Now I will wash it very well. Okay, I don't wash the fish clean, very clean, and I transfer them to the fire. Now, I go add this crayfish when I grind to, and that's the water. As I tell now before, I said that this water we go the juice for the pepper soup. You see, yeah, I go leave and make it boil before I go add the rest ingredients to it. Now, I go pour in the tomatoes. I'm not going to use the tomatoes finish because the thing many. I just want to take from yeah. Put in my pepper. There's my pepper. And put the maggi cube. And leave and make it boil before I can add the pepper soup spice to it. Okay, guys, you see, we are still cooking the pepper soup. Here now the pepper soup spices. This one onion that they call them for my darling. I can all of them go still understand. Put in the pepper soup spices, and I put my crayfish. Now I will add salt to. Yeah, not too much salt. Stir. Not stir and too much, not to turn out so that your fish not go break. Okay, I already had my my dry catfish to run now. This is the last thing I will be adding to the pepper soup. Yeah. Pepper soup now waiting on the hard. Anybody fit cook pepper soup very easy if you have all the right ingredients, or what you prefer to cook, and very easy. You can use goat meat pepper soup, you can cook goat meat pepper soup, you can cook a tilapia pepper soup, anything you like. You can still cook chicken pepper soup, yeah. Maybe this, guys. We'll leave and make it done small before we bring it down. That's all. You can go for anything. You can use it for rice, for pounded yam, any kind of swallow. And for me, I'm going to be using starch for this pepper soup today. Guys, the pepper soup done ready, and I have to swallow her with starch, and the starch we will use be this. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you very much for watching. I love you so much. Please guys, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share with your loved ones. Thank you, till we meet again in our next video. Bye. Wow guys, here now the pepper soup. I don't prepare and finish, and we are about to eat. This is the starch. Please feel free to join me guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.